Hello students, today we will do one important topic that is very essential for all the classes from the junior classes, means starting you can say up to first class, from first class to 12th class. It comes in our use and our topic is articles. What do you mean by articles? What are the articles? Mostly articles also come in the category of a determiners. Here is two types of articles, definite article and a indefinite article. What is definite and what is a indefinite? Definite article is the and indefinite article is a and the, means our articles are a and the. We have three articles and these are in two categories, definite article the and indefinite article a and an. Now how is it definite and how both are indefinite? The is definite, means it is a particularizes a person or a thing. ये किसी भी thing और person को particularize करते हैं, विशेष बनाते हैं. For means the book. It means the book that is a special book. The book I bought yesterday. An refers to anything, means that are not special, that are not particularized. A book, an ox. It means a book, it means any book, not a particularized book. An ox means any ox, not a specific or a indicated ox. Yes. Now, one thing that we always keep in mind is the is mostly used with countable and uncountable both. The is used with countable and uncountable both. But a and un is only used with a countable, because a and un is the weakened form of, it indicates one. Anything is one, that it means एक चीज को दर्शाने के लिए हम a और n means और countable means it is number, means जिसको हम count कर सकते हैं. There we will use a and n. Now we will explain uses of definite article and uses of indefinite article. First of all, I am going to explain uses of definite article, and our definite article is our the. How it is definite, you know this thing. Rule number one. Rule number one is the is indicated noun. Which noun indicate? Only one in a context. जो किसी एक context को refer करती है. It means sometimes in school we say go to the staff room. It means the school has one staff room. Go to the principal room. It means that also one room. Go to the library, because whole school has a one library. It means it is a only one in a context, that there we will use the. Second rule is things which are unique. Things which are unique in the world. It means not a thing like that other in the world, like the earth, the moon, the sun, the sky. Our third rule is the is used with superlatives. Do you know what is superlatives? Superlative means, for example, we take one adjective here, tall. Make it is adjective, make it superlative and comparative. Comparative, taller and tallest. This one is comparative. It comes for comparison. And it is tallest. It means this one is our superlative degree. And with superlative always we use the. Rohit is blank tallest boy in the class. It means Rohit is the tallest boy in the class. Why do we use the here? Because it is we have a superlative degree of our adjective tall. Our fourth rule is with ordinal numbers. The is used with ordinal numbers. First of all, I want to ask which are ordinal numbers. Which? First, like this. Second, third. Okay. For example, we have finished blank second chapter. What will come here? This one is also ordinal number. Finished the second chapter. If we get like this first, second, third, we will put the. Our next rule is use before the adjectives last and only. Sometimes we use articles last and only. With last and only we will use article the, definite article the. Example, I was blank last student. I was a last student or I was the last student. What will come? A or a? The. What will come? These are the adjectives last and only. We will use the last student. It is blank only thing that I want. It is the only thing that I want. Our next rule is the is used before some adjectives. Before some adjectives such as rich, poor, old, young, blank, chick, etc. For example, young should listen to blank old. Yes. The young should listen to the old. Blank rich should help blank. The rich should help the poor. Our next rule is with singular noun to show whole class. For singular, what is? For singular we use mostly a or n for the indication of one singular. But sometime with singular also for the indication of whole class we will use the. Blank elephant is the largest animal. Yes, elephant is singular. There is no plural indication. But the elephant is the largest animal. And one more thing here also come. One use we did. What is the largest? Largest is the superlative. Largest is the superlative degree. And here also we use the. The elephant is the largest animal. Our next rule is the is used before names of musical instruments. Musical instruments. After the verbs play, practice and learn. Sometimes we play music instruments, we practice on and we learn something. So with these verbs and with musical instruments, we will use the. Suresh plays tabla. Which verb is here? Play verb is here and tabla is our musical instrument. So what will come here? The. She is learning the piano. Our next rule is uncountables and plural nouns. Uncountables and plural nouns means to talk about particular. Up to here we will do first with uncountable nouns and with plural nouns. We use the article. Mostly we don't use with plural, but here we will use because for particularization. Apples we bought yesterday are sure means जो एप्पल हमने कल खरीदे वो सोर हैं. Apples we bought yesterday are in so. So what will come here? The apples. Blank oil is cholesterol free. Which oil? Means for the specific oil, for the particularization of any oil. The oil is cholesterol free. So many type of your oils are coming in market. So all are saying this one is cholesterol free. So for the indication of special oil, we will put the. But one more thing I write here, but not in general sense. If with uncountable noun or with plural noun, we say something in a general sense, that is not a particular, we will not use the. For example, sugar is bad for a health. Sugar is uncountable noun, but we didn't use here the. Oil is used for cooking. Oil is also, here is also, but it is a general sense. Oil, all oils. Oil is used for a cooking, and here the oil is cholesterol free. Our next rule is the is used with radio and internet and not with a television. Mostly we use the with radio. I am listening the radio. I am listening all channels on the radio and the internet. I am using the internet, but not with television. I am looking television, not the television. Our next rule is the is used before the nouns of which type of nouns? Like sea. Sea, the Arabian Sea. It is the name of the sea. It is ocean. The Indian Ocean means before all the names of ocean, all the ocean's name will come with the. All the sea, name of sea will come with the river. All the rivers, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the name of all rivers come with the canals. The Panama Canal, all canals use with the name of any mountain chain, not with a single mountain like Mount Everest, not the Mount Everest. It will come only Mount Everest. Mountain chain means so many mountains come together when a chain maintains. The Himalayas. Islands, group of islands. The West Indies, it is a group of islands. Any name of newspaper, the Hindu, the Times of India, name of a newspaper. Any political party, name of any political party, the BJP, the Congress. All religions, the Sikh, the Hindu, the Sikh, the Muslim, the Christian, all religions take the. Any name of army, police, the army, the police, and with direction also, the east, the west, with for all directions we use the. These are the specific uses, means with sea, with ocean, with rivers, with canals, with mountains, with islands, with newspapers, with political parties, religions, army and police, and directions. Now we will do uses of indefinite article, and indefinite is a and n. This the common use of a and n is a and n with singular noun, singular names, and both indicate different. A with consonant sound, and end with a consonant sound and end with a vowel sound. So first of all we will do uses of a. It is used with consonant sound. It is used with consonant sounds, means all consonants. Vowels, if we will remove vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But not these vowels, only sounds. Only sounds. With these sounds will come only our and other sounds. All consonant sounds come with a. For example, cat. What will come? A cat. Ka. Ka sound is consonant sound. Bat. Ba sound is a bat. Ka sound is also consonant sound. Next rule is before countable nouns. Countable. We know with countable nouns we use article a car, a book. Words start with vowels. Here some words start with vowel, but they will produce consonant sound. With vowels but produce consonant sounds. University, union. U is here, vowel is here, but here U is producing with sound ya. Ya sound. But this one sound comes in the consonant sounds. Here also union, ya sound. Ya sound comes in the consonant sounds. So what will come? A university, a union. A is used before a half. For example, add 2 and a half cup of a milk. 2 and a half cup of a milk. With a half we use a. A is used to show rank, profession or community. My father is a doctor. It is showing profession. In exclamation, where we show exclamation, surprise. This one is the mark of exclamation at last. In such type of sentences, we will use what blank beautiful building. What a beautiful building. Our next rule is in a few phrases. With some phrases we use never tell lie. Never tell a lie. This one is the phrase. Tell a lie. What we will use here? Our article A. Don't make blank noise. Don't make a noise. It is a phrase. We use here article A. In place of per. Per means her. For single unit. I earn 10,000 a month. A month means here per month I earn 10,000. With few words like 100, 1000, dozen means blank dozen apples. A dozen apple. I have blank 100 pens. I have a 100 pens. Means 100 here indicating single unit. Single unit it is. Pens is plural. But here we are using a because 100 units. It is a single distance, single number. Single number. Now we will do uses of N. N come with vowel sounds, and vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are our vowels. And what are the sounds? Vowels are these, but sounds always we identify with the help of Hindi vowels, and that are A sound, A, E, U, A, I, O, and out. These are the sounds created by these vowels, and with the help of these Hindi sounds, Hindi vowel sounds, we identify where to put our article N. So come here. Our first rule is words start with vowel and sound. These are the sounds. If any word create these sounds, we will use N. Umbrella. What is the sound? U is here, but sound is A, and A is here. So what will come here? An umbrella. Orange. What is the sound? O, and O sound is here. So what will come? An orange. Words start with consonant but produce vowel sounds. Some words start with consonant, but they will produce vowel sounds, like honest. And this one is consonant, but sound is honest. O, N, honest. Honor, same thing is here. O, N, honor. Or, N, or. So, we will take some examples for the clarification of consonant sound and a vowel sound. Honest, O, N. Eagle, E sound, so N. Umbrella, A sound, then also N. Here, O is here, 1. O is here is vowel, but sound is V. V sound. And V sound always comes in a consonant. So here will come A. Useful. Yeah sound. Where come? In consonants. Europe. Yeah sound come in a consonants. So these are the words start with vowel, but sound is a consonant. These words are this one is start with consonant, but sound is a vowel. So this is the difference in sounds, consonant sounds, how to identify, and vowel sounds with consonant, and vowel sound, and with vowel consonant sounds. Yes, up to now we did uses of definite article, the indefinite article A and N, but now we will do omissions. Omissions means zero article. Means zero article. Where we will not use a article. Zero article. Where we will not use. Before proper noun. Like your name. With your name you will not use article. Any name, any particular name we will not use article. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is particular, Delhi is proper noun, India is also proper noun. We will not use article here. Before abstract noun, wisdom is better than wealth. Wisdom is abstract noun. So before abstract noun we will not use article, zero article. Before material nouns, oil is lighter than water. Oil is also material noun. Water is also material noun. Here both zero article. We will not use article. Before names of meal. Every meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I am taking breakfast. I am taking the breakfast. It is wrong. Wrong हो जाएगा बेटा अगर हम the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner करेंगे तो only breakfast, lunch and dinner. Before noun as school, college, hospital, church like this. इनसे पहले I go to school. I go to school. You go to school. I go to college. We go to hospital. Like this. We will not use a. Here we will not use a article. But one exception is here. If our parents come in school, that is not a part of general routine. If we go to school, that is a general routine of school. And if our parents come, that is not, then they will come. My parents visit to the school. Here they will come because it is not a general routine. With cardinal numbers. In use of definite article the में हमने किया था कि ordinal numbers में हम use of the करते हैं. Ordinal number कौन से थे बेटा? फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड. तो वहां पे हमने क्या यूज किया था? द यूज किया था. बट ये है कार्डिनल नंबर्स 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we will not use a article. Zero article इनके आगे होगा. Names of month, any name of month, Jan to December, Jan, Feb, January, February, March, April. We will not use article. Name of month we will not use a article. Zero article. Name of any day, Sunday, Monday, every day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We will not use a article. Here also we will put zero article. Our next omission is name of any subject. We have so many subjects: maths, physics, English, Sanskrit, Hindi. With name of subject, we will not use article. Here will be zero article. Name of road. Any road, Mall Road, MK Road. We will not use a article. Here also we will use zero article. Name of any language. English, Hindi. We will not use a article. With the name of language, Hindi, English, Sanskrit. Name of hobbies. Our hobbies: reading, writing, gardening, singing. The is not used before. Here we will not use the. Heaven with the words, some words, heaven, hell.